Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Cardano from Arculus wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding Cardano in your Arculus wallet and want to transfer it to your Revolut account for easier spending or trading, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything for security in the ever-evolving crypto world. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in with your secure credentials. Arculus is known for its top-notch security, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game-changer for protecting your assets. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to the Assets, or Portfolio, section. Locate your Cardano, ADA, holdings. Once you find it, tap on it to access the Options menu. Step 2. Select the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. For Revolut, you'll need to use the ADA address associated with your Revolut crypto wallet. Pro tip: always copy and paste addresses to avoid any typos that could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. Cardano transactions are efficient, but fees can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Double-check the transaction details before confirming. Step 4. Review and confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to verify this through your Arculus security measures, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, sit back and wait for the transaction to process, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Finally, head over to your Revolut app and check your crypto section. Your Cardano should appear shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Give it some time or reach out to Revolut support. There you have it. Withdrawing Cardano from Arculus to Revolut in 2025 is quick and secure. Remember, crypto is all about staying informed, so keep an eye on market updates. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next one.